What's happening, sixth graders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are now at example 5, 6.2. If you like what you see, hit the like and share, subscribe buttons down below. Okay. The diagram shows the coldest recorded temperatures for several cities in Virginia. Part A, which city has the coldest recorded temperature? So I'm going to take a look at all these numbers, put them on a number line, find out which one's the coldest. So I'm graphing them all. We got Richmond minus 12, negative 12, Roanoke, negative 11, and so on. Wallops Island is 0 degrees. Even though that's the warmest, that's not very warm. Okay, so which city has the coldest recorded temperature? We're going to go to the lowest one, right? So negative 12 is the lowest, and that would be Richmond. Part B. Has a negative Fahrenheit temperature ever been recorded on Wallops Island? Explain. Well, how would we know that? The coldest recorded temperature on Wallops Island is 0 degrees, which is greater than every negative temperature. So, a negative temperature has never been recorded on Wallops Island. So this tells us that the coldest it's ever been recorded is 0. So, negative has never been recorded. Okay? Extra example 5. In example 5, Wallops Island recorded a new record low last night. The new record low is greater than the record low in Roanoke. What
The
integers
diagram
can
shows the
represent the
coldest
new
recorded
record low on
temperatures for
Wallops
several
Island?
cities in Virginia. Wallops Island recorded a new record low last night. The new record low is greater than the record low in Roanoke. What integers can represent the new record low on Wallops Island? In this problem, the only two cities that we are comparing are Wallops Island and Roanoke. The record low of Wallops Island was 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The record low in Roanoke is negative 11 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's compare these two numbers on a number line. Wallops Island we can plot at 0, and Roanoke we can plot at negative 11. In the problem, we know that Wallops Island recorded a new record low last night. If the recorded low in Wallops Island is 0 degrees Fahrenheit, we know that the new record must be less than 0 degrees. So we can start to highlight a few of the integers less than 0. The problem also tells us that the new recorded low is greater than the record low in Roanoke. The record low in Roanoke is negative 11 degrees Fahrenheit, so that means that the new record low for Wallops Island has to be greater than negative 11. So we can start to shade a few of the numbers greater than negative 11. We know that the new record low for Wallops Island is an integer between negative 11 and 0. The integers between negative 11 and 0 we can circle on the bottom. The integers that can represent the new record low on Wallops Island are negative 10, negative 9, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, and negative 1.
All right. So it could have been any of those. Let's try a couple of these on your own. We're just going to do 4 and 5. It says order them from least to greatest. Negative 2, negative 3, 3, 1, and negative 1. So draw a number line for these two and list these from least to greatest. Go ahead and pause your video. 1, 2, 3, pause. Okay, now that you're back, do not worry about 6 and 7. We're just going to look at the answers for 4 and 5. So hopefully you got negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 1, 3. That's least to greatest. Negative 8, negative 7, 1, 4, 6. Least to greatest. All right, that's it for chapter 6.2. I'll see you at the mini assessment.